I'm illustrating a success story of a very, very economically and socially challenged people of Kerala, the southern tip of India. It is the story of Jamia Markaz. It is an NGO that created a renaissance and revolution in the field of education by promoting thousands of education institutions pan-India and across. The champion of this renaissance and the revolution is none other than Sheikh Abu Bakr bin Ahmad, the Grand Mufti of India, known to the Arab world as Abul Aitam, or father of, in English, it's called father of orphans.